Say good morning, everyone. Today we're making Mingy her favorite tea. You like your tea? You want some tea? So we just put a little bit of hot water in there. Let me see. Hold on, babe. Hold on. Hold on. Just gotta. Careful. Oh, is that good? That's good, huh? Hold on. She loves her tea in the morning. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning. How is the tea today? Today we have peach tea, huh? Sometimes we do chamomile. It's all herbal. You can't give birds caffeine. Is that good? Tea is one of her favorites. She doesn't get it all the time, but when we have a relaxing morning, we can have it, huh? Is that good? So just remember, if you give your birds tea, it's gotta be herbal, non-caffeinated, and look up what they can have. They usually can have most of the fruits, flavored ones, and chamomile is an awesome one that can kind of calms them down. This one is peach today. Peach tea, huh? Is that good, Mingy? I've fed Mingy. I've had Mingy since she was a baby, and I've always given her tea, and she's loved it. We'll have to try to give Zeke some tea, huh? You think so? You think you like it? No? So just remember, tea is good. Is that good? Is that good, huh? She won't talk if she's drinking her tea. Look at your feathers today. Oh, they're so pretty. She just took the bag. You think that's funny? You cannot take the bag out, sweetie. You cannot take the bag out. Say bye to everyone. And drink your tea. Say have a good day.